Articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need. Yeah, it's something about a black woman.
J under Denise, or T underscore J Go, or J under T Clark, or whatever social media handle you have to follow me under. So today we're going to do an eyebrow tutorial. So hopefully it comes out nice. But these are my natural eyebrows. As you can see, there's nothing on them. I just woke up. It's early in the morning. I have to record on my phone because my camera's in the car and my mama got my car. So there we go. So when I was talking to y'all on Snapchat, I was telling y'all that I do my eyebrows in a ghetto way. Hold on. What you doing, Zane? But yeah, when I was talking to y'all on Snap, I told y'all that I do my eyebrows in a ghetto way. So I use this. Well, this is not what I've always been using. I usually use a brown well, hold on. Let me go get my tools. Hold up. I use this Go Brow eyebrow kit for a long time, which is this. Don't mind the glue that's stuck on the outside of it. Then usually I use, ain't no usually because I switch it up every time. It depends on what I got on hand. I use a brown eyebrow pencil and I'll do that. I use the Go Brow eyebrow kit. And I have another like brush type situation. I couldn't find it. But I use that depending on whatever I can get my hands on first to do my eyebrows. That's what I'm going to do. So the story behind using this right here, Black Ice barber detailing kit. The story behind this is y'all know that I got my baby haircut on the 4th of July. So speaking of, I haven't been growing it back, and I'll let y'all know what I've been using. I'm just waiting to use it a little bit more to see if it's actually growing his hair or is his hair actually growing by itself. But anyways, we're going to get into that. So I got his hair cut on July 4th. Cut his hair, all of that. Got in the car, realized that his line was crooked. Looked like a Nike check. Was not cute whatsoever. So I bought this Black Ice detailing kit. It's for beards, to fill beards in or to like guide the barber when they make your line. I don't know what it's for, but it's not for eyebrows. I know that it's not for that. So I bought it thinking that it was going to help Zane, but it did not. So I started using it for my eyebrows. It's dark brown, just like the Go Brow kit. It's dark brown, just like my eyebrow pencil. It's dark brown, like everything else that I use on my eyebrows. So I use it on my eyebrows. So let me open it up. Okay. Ooh. This what it looks like. As y'all can see, I've been going ham in that thing. You feel me? So basically, I get the brush. It comes with this brush and it comes with another type of brush. Hold on. Let me check on my child.
I'm tired.
Okay. Let me leave this door open. So, it comes with this and another brush. So basically, I take this and I dip it in. I'm sorry, y'all. Like I said, I don't have my camera, so I have to do this with one hand. I just glide it across like that. Don't put a light on there. Just glide it. You know? So, I glide it. I usually start with my eyebrow with the cut on it. No particular reason. So, I outline. Oh, I feel so much pressure on me. I outline my eyebrow. Okay, y'all can't see. Basically where I wanted to start. Well, how wide I want it to be. And I did it like that. Okay, so boom. Okay, so boom. And then I go around. And y'all know y'all make y'all eyebrows whatever shape and whatever length that you want. If I'm breathing hard, I apologize. My nose is a little stuffy. So, as y'all can see, I've done nothing but outline my eyebrow. I have not filled it in or anything yet. So, basically, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So, hopefully my phone stays up while I do this. Make sure my child is alright. So, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to look in the mirror and make it where y'all can see too. But like I said, I use any type of tool to do my eyebrows. So the same thing that you see me doing with this detailing kit would be the same thing that I would do with the eyebrow pencil. It would be the same thing that I would do with the Go Brow kit. It would be the same thing. Anytime I do my eyebrows, this is how I do them. And I know that y'all that's been following me for a long time know my eyebrows are way thicker than this, but I cut them off. Well, not all, obviously I ain't cut all of them off, but I cut it off because I don't like my eyebrows to be super thick. As y'all can see, this eyebrow is thinner than this one. So, the way we gonna do that is we gonna bring that line up. Bring that line up. Bring that line up. Hey, bring that line up. Just dip a little bit and kinda lightly stroke my eyebrow. Just lightly. And then you see I'm pressing hard now. So at the beginning I lightly stroke that, and then I start pressing harder when we get toward the middle. And I need a little bit more for, I hope y'all can see this. I hope it come out nice. I'm hoping y'all can see it. Y'all don't want to see no bullshit. So, yeah, that's an eyebrow, as you can see. And I'm going to show you how I thin the front out. But basically, I'm showing y'all how I make do with what I have. So, again, do the same thing. Lightly. And then go in. Okay. I don't like that one that much, but I mean, it is what it is. So these are my eyebrows. I don't know if y'all like them or not, but I mean, that's what we're going with today. It's makeup on it. And I just pat. So as you can see, okay, so boom. We're getting places. Patting. So you pat it until it's like faded out to your desire, of course. And as y'all can see, I have a little residue. So I'm gonna show y'all. I don't have makeup wipes, but I have a baby, so I have baby wipes. So let me show y'all what I do. So I'm just taking the wipe and cleaning it up. I used to do the concealer, but it depends if I'm doing like makeup, which I haven't done in a while. Then I use concealer, but since 9 times out of 10, well, ain't no 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, lately I just do my eyebrows and then I put some eyelashes on. So I'm really not too concerned with it being perfect. So I'm really digging this brow, but I ain't feeling this one. So we can correct it, or we can leave it as is. I don't know what y'all thinking, but I'm thinking a correction. Okay.
Where are you going? I just left the building.
I'm sorry, y'all, if I keep turning. I'm trying to see where my baby going.
Still a little smaller than the other one, but at this point, if it come out bad, we're just gonna have to go with it. Because I'm not done it again. Zane. The yummy, yummy cookie from the cookie jar. Okay. Shoot. Now I like this. I like that orange. Want to do it. Hands on knee, hands on knee. I should have my hands on my knee. Now I want to do the other nose. Yeah. It's just a trial and error situation when it comes to your eyebrows.
I mean, if it's okay to you, even if it ain't okay to you and you done did it 16 times, let it go. Be like, okay, so this is what we're going with today. Like, look at that brow. Look at that brow. After the second time doing it. Now I want to redo. Y'all probably like, she taking this long to do eyebrows. Baby, it's a process. Trust the process. So I'm gonna do some more eyebrow tutorial videos, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I say you get better. Some days it be great. Other days, it's just like, what the freak am I doing? I can. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Keep my cut together. Oh no. That was worse than the first time. Yeah, I think that's worse than the first time. I'm done. I am done. That is it. So basically, this is what we're going with for today. They're not perfect, but I mean they're the brow of the day. Of course, when I put my eyelashes on, if I decide to put makeup and stuff on, I will come back later and show y'all that. But this is how I do my eyebrows. Oh, look at that brow. Oh, this one, I'm not proud of it, but I mean it's there. For the most part, they look great. Look at her. Oh, this one got a lot of personality because of the cut, but look at this. I don't know yet if I'm putting makeup on my face and stuff like that, but I want to thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. And if you have an eyebrow tutorial, or what do you use for your eyebrows, maybe I could do that. I could do a video using different things to do my eyebrows. So leave in the comment section below what you use to do your eyebrows, so I could go out and I can buy it, and then I can do my eyebrows and show y'all how to use that. So thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Everything that I need. Baby,